volume also.
I like the commercial.
Yeah, that's all you see.
Nope, sit low. Instead you're laying down. Okay, Paul. Don't. People are going to want to your face. People are going to want to your face. People are going to want to your face. Here, I got these dog treat cookies from Petco. No, as you can see, no, Loki. Sorry. As you can see, I have these 2 dog treats. Out of the way, whoa. The side's green, the side's blue, the side's white, on this one, the side's brown on this side, and they have, well, this one has pink frosting, this one has vanilla frosting in the middle. Here you go. Okay, Loki. Here's another one.
These glasses will change the way you see the world. You're not kidding. Come on now. Crazy? Much better. Now you're seeing things clearly. You're here now, Jason. There's a night I might cry because the Bachelorette's been off for a week. But this is the episode worth waiting for.
Good luck. Do you think that was enough dog treats for her?
Yeah.
2 little cookies.
Yeah, that's fine.
I think those cookies were kind of big, bro. Okay, Loki. That was enough dog treats.